Make some noise for Boca Raton Hurricane All-Stars Weather Girls!
All you see is Boca, all you hear is Boca. So when we take you out, hasta la vista, let's know ya. All of the girls back in black, you better watch your back. I'm only at work. Girls are here, looking fabulous and fierce. I'm like, it's a purple cover, you won't like when we appear. Yes, behind us is a massive storm, you can feel it getting warm. Turning up the heat, you're bringing it to your face. Boca Raton, welcome back, ladies, let's go. Everybody loves Weather Girls. Competition, best be well. Prepare for your devastation. On a mission to the D.O.P. cause that's my destination. H-O-C-K-R-A-T-O-N. Let's begin. Happy 1347, better known as Boca Raton. When we come, say it loud. Weather Girls are number one.
We came to conquer all we stay for long. Wait a minute, now don't say we didn't want ya. Want you back or you never get it now. Storm is coming and it's rolling in real loud. You know that there's no you better run for it. Like the hurricane, we picked up where we left off. Only option is to stay ready for takeoff.
Reports in every direction, voices are all the same. Now girls, watch the news. It's a big hurricane. Can you spell our name? No, you can't. Make it large enough. Can you talk about Weather Girls? It's a big win, a big for the win.
Boca Raton Hurricane All-Stars Weather Girls. Next up on the floor,